Hi viewers, I hope you all are doing good. This is Richmond Riverside, a part of the central London. This is the best viewpoint for the river boating and walking. Him. Just say me about this riverside something. Just say me.
Well, we're just at the Twickenham, Richmond Riverside, and I just walked over all the way from Teddington Lock into the Richmond Bridge and back to Twickenham.
That's good. That's good.
Lovely
Nice to meet you, sir. Again.
Nice to meet you as well. Thank you.
Yeah. He's Mr. Bhagwanji, one of my good friend in Twickenham. He's very nice person.